Yeah, welcome to Bride's Galleria. Good morning and have a nice day. Dear friends, I have been observing that you people are asking on each picture that you want to know the prices and all. I'm just trying to make things simpler for you. Now, when you go to our Facebook page, suppose you wanted to know a price of particular picture in an album. Suppose in this designer Kalidar embroidered suits, you want to know a price of this particular Kalidar suit. So here below the each picture we have our design number, and along with that now I have tried to make things simpler for you by putting up this link. When you press this link, it will take you directly to our website, and you can see over here that this design is over here, and you can see the zoomed version, like rolling over the mouse over the small picture. Now it's mentioned over there, it's RM334. If you wanted to check that in US dollars, from here you can check it in US dollars. There are various other currencies, you can check it in your own currencies. We have Euro, GB, Pound, we have Fijian dollar, Bangladeshi taka, Saudi Riyal, Mauritian rupee. We have tried to cover most of the currencies over here. So you can check out the prices over here. Now if you want that, you want to order this thing and you want to get it stitched, you just click here, check this button, and stitching amount will be added to your total. Here it is mentioned over here that you will receive a measurement form on your email ID once you order the product. So once the order is through, you have confirmed your order, we will send you an email on your email ID with our measurement form, and you can easily fill that up. It has a very descriptive thing. You can see the images and measure your body, measure and enter the measurements. After that, just click on add to my cart button. Now you can see over here that it's USD 123. Now I have actually added two quantities, so it's 2 into 123, it's 246. Now you go to checkout. It will add the prices of two quantities because I have selected two quantities. It's very simple procedure. It will help you all to get to know the prices and place the order. In case of any further queries, you know my Facebook account. You can add me as friend over here. You can chat me over Facebook chat. You can discuss your queries. Will be glad to answer to all your queries over there. And you can send an email to us on info@bridesgalleria.com. Thank you and have a nice day. Hope you have a great evening ahead.